Hi, this is Paulo from AEvent support. In this video, I'll be showing you how to get your API key or token for Postmark. First, please log into your Postmark account. Once logged in, from the homepage, click on Account, then click on API Tokens. From here, you'll see all the API tokens you have for your account. You can also click on Generate another token if you want to generate a new one. In this video, we'll simply be copying the existing API token. Save it somewhere accessible like Notepad because you'll be using it to integrate Postmark to AEvent. Let's log in to AEvent and go to Integrations. Click on Add Integration. Simply look for Postmark by typing it in the search box. From here, you can see the timeline action you can create with Postmark. For the purposes of this video, let's click Add Integration. Type in your preferred name for the Postmark. Please label it accordingly to easily identify it when integrating multiple accounts. I'm typing Postmark 1 for this integration. Once you're satisfied, click on Connect. Now it will ask for your API key. Simply paste it in and click Continue. Alright, once done, go back to your list of integrations and look for Postmark. Let's click on Test. We have successfully added Postmark to our integrations and have tested successful connection with AEvent. As always, please reach out to support if you have any questions. If you liked this video, please comment below, give it a thumbs up, and subscribe to the channel to get notified when we add more videos. Thank you for watching.